Yes, and so this mentor, not me, it's him.
So you learned about this from some dude who was trying to get his wife to have a threesome.
Yes.
Did it work?
Yes. See, again, I'm just saying yes all the time because yes, it works 100%. It's using something called open.
Marni, welcome back. Here's the deal. Today, Marni's going to go over a method to get a woman to say yes to anything you ask. And it really works for more than just women, right?
For everybody. Every single person will respond to this, but it's even better when you're doing it with a woman.
Woo!
You know what I mean?
We're going to get to
using
this
it on a woman.
after a word from today's video sponsor. You are going to love this deal. Right now, for a limited time, you're going to get for $50, which regular price of this is $84, which means it's $34 off. You get to pick whichever Pete and Pedro fragrance you want. Whether or not it's Legend, it's Villain, it's King, it's Hero, it's Rebel. You get to pick whichever fragrance you want. It's your choice. A full-size bottle. Retail value of that is $50, but you're also going to get a deodorant, the fresh deodorant. It's a eucalyptus spearmint. It's natural, which means you're not going to be rubbing toxic chemicals on your pits. This stuff is amazing and it smells incredible. But your balls are going to smell even better because you're going to get a full-size fresh ball powder. This stuff is talc-free. It's not only going to keep your balls smelling amazing, it's going to keep them dry. And a little sprinkle of this up your booty crack to make sure you don't get swamp ass. Right now, for a limited time, in honor of Marni, if you use the code DATING34, you're going to get the ultimate dating package for $34 off. Regular price of this package, guys, is $84, but if you use the code DATING34, you're getting it for $50. All the information is going to be linked down below. Gentlemen, do not wait. I want you to smell better than all your friends. So, will this method work on my wife?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes. I'm just going to say yes, because this is about getting women to say yes. It'll work on your wife, it'll work on your friends, it'll work on girls.
But first they got to make sure that they attract the women that they want. Which brings me to the free offer you've got linked down below. Marni, what is it?
Again, it is a free video series with 5 videos that tells you the 5 things you need to do to attract the women you want. It's down below.
Totally free, gentlemen. Do not wait. Do not sleep on this incredible deal. Speaking of incredible, let's talk a little bit about how to make a woman say yes.
Yes. Okay, here it is. All right, come in. It's using something called open loops.
Open loops. Open loops.
Which is presenting an idea, leaving it open and vague so that somebody jumps on board with it. So actually, I learned this when I was doing an interview about 2 years ago, and this guy I was interviewing was talking about something he had learned from his mentor, who he was trying to learn how to have threesomes from this mentor. Yes, and so this mentor, not me, it's him. Although they're very fun.
Okay.
Anyway.
Check please. What? Okay, go on.
So, his mentor said...
So wait a second. So you learned about this from some dude who was trying to get his wife to have a threesome.
Yes.
Did it work?
Yes. See, again, I'm just saying yes all the time because yes, it works 100%. No, actually, it was 90%. He had a 90% success rate with this line. So his mentor said this is what he would do when he was with 2 girls, not with his wife. He was with 2 girls. He would say, hey, I have an interesting idea. And then he would leave it open. And when you hear something like that, that's exciting, you're going to lean in. You're going to say, what's that now? Tell me the interesting idea, which has you semi-buy in to the idea that he's about to throw out on the table. Okay. So he said that when he would say this, hey, I have an interesting idea, the girls would lean in and go, what's the idea? Tell me. I want to hear. Their own version of that. And he'd be like, why don't we have a threesome?
And they'd be like...
And 90% of the women would say yes.
Who are these women?
I know. I was asking the exact same thing.
Who is this dude?
These are normal women.
Who's this dude?
Normal women. I don't know what his name was. This is Adam, who I learned it from, who learned from his mentor. So Adam started applying this to his dating life. And on dates, he would say things like, hey, I have an interesting idea. And then he'd ask for whatever he wants. This one girl he was on a date with, they were having fun, they were connecting, they were flirting. And he said, hey, I have an interesting idea. What if you, take your panties off under the table, slide them across to me, and then we'll walk out of the restaurant. And she goes, you're on. And did it? They had fun. They made out after. I'm just telling you, it works. It works 100%.
So it's always about, I have an interesting idea.
Yeah. Or you could say, you know what would be really fun? See how it's open?
Oh, so it's not just
open.
like,
It's not.
okay, it's not just trying to get, like, somebody to,
No.
like, take their panties off.
No, it could be, hey, I have an interesting idea. When we meet tomorrow for the first time, let's not say a single word to each other and just hug. It could be as simple as that. Hey, you know what would be really fun? What would be really fun? Well, tomorrow, if we go for donuts, like it's just something that gets people to buy in to a concept.
How does it work? Let me.
Accept it.
This is good stuff, Marni.
Yes, it is good stuff.
This is good stuff. All right. What about so whenever, like, one of the text messages that I've encouraged guys to send to basically get something going is, hey, I saw something that thought of you. Or that I thought is like, and so
it's kind of like that.
It's kind of like that
because
because
open and vague. It's an open loop.
and
it's
it
not
makes the person and it makes the person like curious, right? Like you can't, if somebody says to you, "Hey, I saw something that made me think of you," right? It's literally impossible to be like, "I don't care," right?
Yeah.
No, you want to know.
It's engaging. It gets people to bite. That's what you're trying to do.
Bite.
It's a pattern interrupt. It triggers your primal brain. It does a whole bunch of fantastic.
We're triggering primal brains in the Alpha M house for the first time ever. That's amazing.
And it works.
So it works.
Totally works. It doesn't. It may not work for a continuous conversation, but it's a way to get a person's attention. Anything that's out of the norm, anything that isn't completed, anything that leaves things up to your own brain to fill in the gaps, those things are intoxicating. You can't help but want to jump on and see what's going on.
And even if they say no, or whatever it is, like they say, no, I'm not interested, like it still is a great way to sort of start that conversation and to try again or try something a little different.
Yes, and then you can use playful disqualification. That's okay. I can see we're not right for each other anyway.
Ooh, playful disqualification. We've talked about that before, Marni. Incredibly powerful flirting technique.
The playful disqualification is disqualifying the woman because of something that she said to her, meaning you can't be with me, I don't want to be with you because of your opinion, because of something that you said. So, for example...
But it's light. It's light. It's not... It's super light.
No, it's
like,
not
go
like,
ahead.
this is your political view, now I don't like it. It's
now
playful.
You slept with who? My brother, Brian.
There you go.
Exactly.
But even the way that you just said it right now, it's playful, and the other person knows that you're being playful. That's the important key to anything when it comes to teasing, flirting, sexual escalation. You have to have that playfulness attached to it, or else it's never going to come across.
Can't be too serious.
Yeah.
Little smirk. Yeah. Tonality changes.
Yeah.
Good, gentlemen. Marni, amazing.
Yes.
Knuckle bump, gentlemen. Open circle. You know what'd be really awesome? You know what'd be really awesome? If you drop me one of these.
I can't snap.
Get out of here.
I'm really bad.
Peace.